Here's Jackson playing with his fish. This is the gift that Christina gave him for Christmas. He loves his fish. All he has to do is bang into it, and it makes noise and the lights go off. See? Thanks, Mark and Christina. See if you can get a smile out of them.